I have a flight tomorrow. Yeah. We're going to I just want to try this nose strip I found on I got on Sephora for free. Is this how it's supposed to feel? Because it doesn't feel sticky. Okay, so it's supposed to be slightly damp. That's why it's not sticking. So I'm going to be quick and I'll be right back. Okay, that's way better. So now it actually feels like it's sticking. I don't know why I don't read instructions. I've been trying to upload this video to YouTube since, and I just got a copyright claim. So now I have to re-upload with another sound because I don't know if I want to risk just putting it out there, even though I'm not monetized yet. So I'm going to have to decide what to do about that. But right now, one of them is already uploaded with the thumbnail. Everything's already set. The only thing that's affecting me is the what do I want to say? Is the copyright claim. So right now I'm trying to re-upload. Okay, so I have like 15 minutes basically right now to just be fast and just tell you guys. So right now I'm editing. I'm trying to re-upload the video because of what I just said. And I also I have one extra order to pack. So since Monday, the post office is open now, so I can deliver my packages from yesterday. And also I have one new order and the girl needs it for this weekend. So I don't know how it's going to work, but I'm going to try my best. So let's go because I don't have time. I'm going to just quickly do this on my laptop and then I'll start getting ready to go. I'll pack the last order and get ready to go. I want to spend at least an hour in the gym because I've been trying to go to the gym for a minute now and it's just not working. It's just not working. So I'm going to quickly do that and get to the gym. I'll spend at least an hour. Maybe not a full hour, but like, do you get? I want to aim for being there for 12 because it's currently 11:44. So I'm going to pack my order now. The person got the size set in purple blue, in medium top, medium bottoms. And yeah, let's pack this motherfucking order. I just want to take off this thing for you, this nose strip, my DIY headband. I don't like closures that much. This was just like my everyday wig, so I can be doing exactly this. This is why I bought the wig, not to really wear it out. And it's like a last minute wig if I don't have a wig to wear. So I'm going to do my skincare now. Just want to take this off. Stuff actually came out. Not crazy, but I feel like I actually need a proper one. My pores are very clogged, but I can see like it's not gonna show. I'm not gonna do that to you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna do my skincare and I'll be right back to get ready. Just a quick skincare. I'll be back, okay? I'm just gonna put on this set from PLT. I love this material, is so good. Like if I'm getting more stuff from them, it's definitely going to be, I'm definitely getting another color right now. And it feels very durable. This is not sponsored. But let me show you my full look because this thing's too damn high. Fragrance of the day is my go-to perfume, Magnificently Dubai from Zara. I'm not even joking, this is the best perfume I have at the moment compared to all the designer ones. Actually, I like the Gucci one, but this one, anybody that comes to my house knows that this is my go-to perfume. I'm just probably gonna wear this, and then I need a bag for my orders. So finally my video is done downloading from the SD card. So now all I need to do is, I've uploaded it on YouTube, so hopefully by the time I get back it will be uploaded. I'm really hoping, fingers crossed, so that I can go out today because I don't want to push it down because that's whenever things don't go my way, is as if it discourages me and I start over. I have to like look for motivation again. scratch. Let's go on this motherfucking walk. Let's start our day.
C'est Louis, il fait
Okay, you guys, this is not my bed. I have a package from Shein. Shein is very hard to shop at, but I just get bikinis and small things from them. I don't really get like proper clothes. I think I got like maybe 3 tops, but that's about it. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you different things. I'll try and film like the actual outfits later, but right now I'm just gonna show you what it is. Okay, so this is just a see-through top. I wanted to wear with my cocoa pants, the red cocoa pants, maybe a red bra so that it will go. But this is super cute. It has that like fancy club design on it. I don't know how to set this up. Then I have here, what is this? Okay, this is a bikini. It has flowers on it. It's a red bikini. It will go with that, but that's not my plan. I just like this design. I have the pink one too that I took to Tulum. And it just has like, it's so cute. Everything will be linked in the description. I'll try and link them for you guys. I don't know if you want. Oh, this is actually cute. Okay, so it has padding. So the padding is removable, but it's this metallic blue bikini. I just like the color. I love it. It's gonna look so good. And the matching briefs. It has this like small detail, like pearl. Yeah, and a nice thong at the back. This is gonna be sexy as fuck. Okay, so what else is in here? You guys better to like my pictures. This one I'm showing you what I got. Okay, this one is simple. It's those shirts, those like plain shirts with like, I'm actually not gonna try this one just because, yeah, maybe I'll probably like make a reels or something. But this is just a plain cropped shirt, tie in front. I just wanted this for like beach days, stuff like that for this Christmas. If I'm going to Nigeria, I'll be having some complications and I don't know if I'm going, so we'll find out. Okay, so what is this? Okay, this is just a random dress. I don't even know what my intention was with it, but like I'll probably wear it with a black bikini, see-through, and it's backless, and it has like ropes at the back. This is not usually my style though, but I mean I got it, so I probably was feeling it at the time. What is this? I'm so excited. I'm really happy with what I'm seeing, at least so far. Okay, it's really bikini. So this is a cute black bikini. You can't go wrong with black. And once you go black, you never go back. Okay? So cute. So cute. This is so cute. I actually really love this. This is so cute. I can imagine styling in different ways, and it's very timeless. And there, like, it has the hoops on the side as well. Okay, so this was one of the things I want to wear if I'm going to Nigeria. It's just like this crisscross top, and it's very covered, but it's a little bit see-through, so I don't know how that would work wearing it with my parents, because I really just wanted to wear it as like covered clothes because they stress me out in Lagos. So yeah. Okay, so this is similar to the John Paul Gaultier. I'm not sure of the name, but I saw it on. I just saw it on Shein, but I also saw it recently on somebody's brand, somebody's page, and they're wearing the actual original one. But I'm sure this looks just the same. This is so cute, you guys. This is so cute. Oh my god, I'm thinking of how I'll style this. I'll probably wear shorts. I can't be bothered. But this is so cute, you guys. I actually love it with the matching briefs. And it's meant to be a dupe. I love the stripe, the print is giving. Okay, so this one, I just wanted the shorts. That's all I wanted from. Okay, this one, I just wanted the shorts, but it came in a set. I wanted to wear the shorts with the white shirt I showed you earlier. The shorts are so cute. I'm so sorry. The shorts are so cute. And imagine them with just a bikini that just go. It's just gonna be so cute. Even the blue bikini is gonna go with it. This is so cute. Yeah, and it came with a matching top. I don't even remember the top design. I just know that I wanted the shorts. I don't really understand. I think it's a butterfly. I think it's a butterfly top or something. But this is cute. I'll probably wear this as well, just for holiday. What else? Because this thing is just piling up apparently. Okay, I got phone cases. I'm so happy because I actually need a new phone case. I've been managing mine since I bought like 5 phone cases, and this one is bent. Can you imagine? It's bent. But I'm going to try it on my phone if it's still going to work with it being bent, because I don't like that. Okay, compared to it's not strong though. See this one is hard. So let's see. I'm sure it'll be okay, Sha. The phone will straighten it out. Oh, see, I just didn't like how my phone case was already pink in mirror selfies, so that's why I got the what's it called? This is so cute. Okay, I'm actually excited. I bought like 5 phone cases. I'm finding out that I can let go of this pink one. I wanted something more neutral so that it will go with like, so it will go with every picture, if that makes sense. So I got neutral and I got a metallic one too. I think these are sunglasses. Oh my god, the sunglasses are so cute. I've been waiting for them. Okay, so this is not the one I'm looking for, but this one will go for everyday sunglasses. Yeah, this will go for everyday sunglasses in the like Uber, and it's giving like streetwear vibe-ish. Whatever streetwear vibe-ish is. Okay, I'm going to put it somewhere because it's just piling on my lap at this point. Okay, next up, this is actually a big haul. Maybe I'm going to do a separate video trying it on. Yeah, I might do that. I'm gonna do a haul instead. Maybe I should go so that I'll just do it. So everything else will be my haul. Okay? I'm going to be wearing velvet shadow today. I got broads in Atlanta. So I'm going to do my nails. It's already past my appointment. I have to call them and let them know. Can you imagine? I called my rider and it didn't go through, so I have to call, let them know I'm on my way. Hi. I just wanted to let you know I'm on my way. I'm almost there. I booked an appointment for 12:30 with Peter. Yep. Okay, thank you. He's the only one that gets my nails done, but bro, I broke my nail. I had to plaster it. I'm not doing this nail for a while because it needs to go back. It looks so ugly right now. But I'm going to do the rest of my nails. I'm so sorry. My nails have to be done. I'm thinking just plain white, short, square nails because I don't want it to be too off from this. Thinking either that or white French tips, but that's basic. I don't know. My nail place is right beside my gym, so I'm going to go to the gym right after. Then I'm going to come back, pack orders, pack my suitcase because I have a flight tomorrow. We're going to Lagos. So this is a very last minute development that came up. So this vlogmas is going to be a little bit changed because I know it's going to be way more difficult to do vlogmas with like Nigerian Wi-Fi, and just because I'm going to be on a flight for a whole day, so I'm going to vlog the airport, but I might not be able to post like a vlog, so I'm just going to try my best to let you guys know right before I board that I'm going to drop this vlog right before I board, so you guys know what's up. And yeah, so I had to basically do everything yesterday and today. I had only 2 days to prepare, but like I have been mentally preparing for the trip for a while now. So sorry, someone texting me. So yeah, I'm going to Lagos, very last minute. That's why like you guys didn't know, and that's why I was watching my passport. But I finally got my passport and we're going to Lagos. I'm just so happy because a lot of people are going, but I'm only going there for 2 weeks, so I don't know if it's going to be worth it, but I think it's going to be worth it because I'm going to make it worth my while. My parents are going to stress me. I don't know if I'm going to show you that part, but my parents are fucking I'm in for a ride. But I have friends in Lagos now, and I think it's gonna be so fun. So let's go. So basically, this is basically travel prep. This is basically this is basically travel prep for Lagos. I'm going to get my nails done. My toes don't need to be done yet. I wish I could do my toes, but I don't think it's worth taking this off because it's basically the same color I do all the time. And I'm just going to do my short nails. I want it to be short and cute, but I want it to stand out, so I'm thinking white so that it really pops. But I'm also scared of food staining my I'm also scared of food staining my nails because that happens and I don't like that yellow stain. So I'm thinking I'll try and let the guy know either white nails or maybe short French tips with like silver tips. Just like I've done it before, but I don't care.
Credit cards and the scams, hitting the licks in the van. Legacies, family, wait and see, look like a panda. Going out like a Montana, honey killers on their hands. Legacies, family, wait and see, family. Pockets full, Danny, selling ball, candy. Ain't on the macho like Randy. The chopper go out for granted. You nigga pull up your bandit. Hope the killers understand it. I got broads in Atlanta, twisted the D in the family. Credit cards and the scams, hitting the licks in the van. Legacy, family, wait and see, look like a family. Going out like a Montana, honey killers on their hands. Legacy, family, wait and see, family. Legacy, Danny, selling ball, candy. May not the macho like Randy. The chopper go out for granted. The nigga pull up your bandit. Hope the killers understand me. Hey.